asshole! Get out of the fucking car!
It's a giveaway line, not a fucking go line. I had the music on as I was coming round the corner, so you wouldn't have heard it, but I heard someone leaning on the horn. So I imagine it's her trying to get the white Toyota in front to go, and then she's just pulled out in front of me. Like, dickhead. What the fuck are you doing? Twat. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. I know you're already on the roundabout, but it would have been no harm for you to stop. Well, look, even now, it's moving again, you're still in the way. Wonderful. You retard, the bus was letting you go. Now you're going to pull out in front of the moped, yeah? Idiot. It's alright, mate, don't use the cycle lane that's completely fucking empty, and don't look over your shoulder to check if you're getting in anyone's way. You're just drifting across. Arsehole. And yes, I know they don't have to use the cycle lane, but surely it's much safer than being here. Trying to fucking drive into me for? Just because you put an indicator on doesn't mean you can move across. Thick cunt. Red light, you moped fuck. What's your fucking problem? Cunt. I don't know what his fucking problem was. I pulled over to let the blue, I think it was a Toyota Estate, Prius, something, come past. I've looked up and he's moved over to one side, which would signal, you know, crack on, drive up the road, continue with my journey. No need for the sarcastic clapping, you old cunt. What the fuck are you doing? Whoa ho ho! They nearly hit the bus. Now they're trying to what? Hit cyclists as well. They should just reverse backwards. That would have been the smarter thing to do after making the stupid mistake. Reverse backwards. Now we can go. Dickhead. He could see me there, but just decides to saunter out in front of me. It's nice and casual, don't give a fuck about the vehicle coming down the road, mate. Dumbass. Fucking cunt!